everyone can do magic.
Mapawaw kaya niya ang buong Pilipinas at maka-fly the butterfly with flying colors kaya siya?
Abracadabra!
I just noticed it's not a bow tie, it's a butter tie.
It's a butterfly. Butterfly.
Butter tie fly. Handang-handa ka na ba?
Pinaghanda.
Pinaghandaan mo. Let's see kung mapapabilib mo sila, okay?
Hi!
Good evening po.
Anong name?
Alaking.
Ba't naka-butterfly question?
For a change, bow tie, butter tie.
Is it a monkey suit? You mean a tuxedo, right?
May tail.
It's a tail
With
coat.
tail, yeah.
It's a professional suit.
Okay. So, Alakim, good luck. Ay! Ay, butterfly! Magiging butterfly yan. Ay, yan sa kapag-ibon yan. Apart from butterflies, meron bang iba?
Actually, nilikha ko po itong act ko kasama ang dugo at pawis ko simula nung nag-aral ako ng magic. At may pagmamalaki ko po na nasa Pilipinas po ang Butterfly Act at ipagmamalaki sa buong mundo.
And I'm really impressed with your magic. It's amazing. It's world class.
Thank you, sir.
Let's vote! Okay. Yes! Ako, this time, I love magic. You get it?
Ako, you really have it. It's a yes.
Thank you. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Why butterfly?
Kasi it's unique. It's not common. Ni-research ko siya. Wala sa abroad. Hindi nila naisip na gamitin. It's my discovery.
Well, we are very, very happy for you. We must say that was an unbelievable
Thank
act.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
See you next round.
Napanganga ang Big Three sa ginawa ng ating butterfly magician.
World class! Hindi pinatunayan niya na hindi magpapunay ang mga Pinoy pag talent ang pinag-uusapan.